Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas cranberry blueberry bar. Now this time of year my family used to always bake, and I had some great aunts who did a lot of baking. My grandmother did baking and my mom did baking, so I kind of picked up that habit from them. So I want to share this recipe with you. The cranberry adds just a little bit of tartness to all the sweetness that's in the recipe. I think you'll enjoy it. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have container gardening videos where I show you how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers. I do product reviews, I have some meditation videos, and I have other easy to prepare recipes. So come on, let's go make some Christmas cranberry blueberry bars. The ingredients for this is really simple. You're going to have a cup of blueberries, a cup of cranberries, fresh cranberries. You're going to have 3/4 cups of softened butter, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of white sugar, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and just an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you notice this recipe has none of the traditional leavening type ingredients. There's no baking soda, there's no baking powder, and it's really simple, and there's no milk. So you're going to be amazed at this recipe. So I'm going to get started first by blending the sugar and the 3 eggs. So I'm going to be using my stand mixer because there's going to be quite a bit of mixing. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and you can see from here how the color has lightened, but I'll give you a closer view of it. So you can see that it's not that eggy yolky color that it was originally. It's gotten very light in color, and that's what you're looking for. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the vanilla and the butter, and we're going to let this go for another 2 minutes, and I'm going to put all the ingredients down in the description. Here's the butter. And we're going to go on medium for another 2 minutes, and I'll meet you right back here. So here is the mixture after I put the butter and the vanilla in there. And I have a little bit of salt that I'm just going to sprinkle in there. And I have my flour. Again, I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description with the measurements. And we're going to blend this together, just stir it together. Okay, here's that colorful blueberries and cranberries. Such a festive look. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all that in there. I kind of like to pour some in, stir it in, and then pour in the rest. For me, that helps me get it more evenly distributed throughout the batter. Put the rest of that in there. And that tartness of the cranberry is going to kind of break through and complement the sweetness of the blueberries and the batter. And it's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. Everyone's going to like this, especially if you like a little tartness in your desserts. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a 9x13 pan, and I have already greased it. I'm going to put that in there. So I just spray mine with some of that oil spray, but you can rub some butter on the inside of there, and you just want to pour it in, and I'm going to spread it around nice and even. Now this is not going to rise that much, so that's why this makes a nice bar type recipe. Something nice you can cut up, and you can cut it up into squares as big or as small as you like. Here's the Christmas bar. It's been sitting for about an hour. I wanted it to cool before I slice it up. And doesn't that look delicious? Let me show you closer. You can see all the little colors in there. The cranberry, the blueberries, a nice brown crust. So I'm going to cut these into little squares and I'll show you the final result. Look at that plate of nice, delicious, moist, sweet, with a little bit of tartness, Christmas cranberry-blueberry bars. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.